to do an oil change is a socket, something to drain your oil in, 2 quarts of this motorcycle 10W40, 2 quarts. And then your oil filter, and you might need a rag. So on the Mule, you're supposed to change the oil every 100 hours, but on the first one, change it at 50. So you change it at 50, 150, 250, 350. And as you see, I'm at 250, so it's time to change it. Another thing that you need to do is check your air filter, which is right down there by your dipstick. And you just take it off and you can look at it. I changed it once, but it really didn't need it. So that's another tip. So I got the cover off. Here's the filter. It's pretty clean. So all you have to do is stick it back in there. Just like that. And then you take your little cap right here and you put it on there and it clips on. Now I'm going to get that fastened and then we'll do the oil change. Okay, before we get into it, here's a few placements of things that you need to know in order to do it. This is where you add oil, put the oil in, and this is the where you put the oil filter, and then under there I'll show you where the drain plug is. So after you're under here, you'll see something like this, and then you will come up under here, and that right there is your drain plug. So the socket size is a 14 millimeter. So I have everything ready to take it off. Now we'll just unbolt it. Okay, so now we have it set up draining. We'll let that finish and then we'll take off the fuel filter. As I said earlier, the oil filter is right there. Now we're going to take that off. I also put the oil pan to catch it under there because a little oil is going to come out. There we go. So now that it's done draining, we're just gonna put the plug right back in. You want to get it pretty tight, but don't strip it out. Once you have some oil in there, you just take it and screw it on to the same spot that you got the other one off at. There you go. So once you have all that on, you can start adding some oil with just a little funnel. Once you put the cap back on, you're ready to put everything back like it was and ride on. Thank you for watching Brad's Outdoor Adventures. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.